If you want to play Geometry Dash on your PC or laptop, open any browser on your PC and go to the official website of Bluestacks.com. Here you can just press the download button in the center of the page. Wait for the download to finish and open the installation file. The download and installation process can take round about 5 minutes in my case, depending on your computer and internet speed. On the desktop you can see that Bluestacks created an icon for quick access already. Once the installation process is fully completed, Bluestacks is going to open automatically. In the top right you can see a search box to find specific games. Type in Geometry Dash and search for it. You will have several search results for Geometry Dash, for example the Lite version, Sub-Zero, and here the complete version. Let's click on the full version right here. If you now click on install from Google Play, you are now guided to log in into your Google account or Google Play account from your phone. Once logged in, you can see there's a price for the full version, in my case $3.99. If you want to play it for free, I recommend playing Geometry Dash Lite, because it has some more levels in comparison to Geometry Dash Sub-Zero. But if you want to play the full game, of course you can pay. Let's install Geometry Dash Lite and then play it. After installing, it's even created a desktop icon for Geometry Dash Lite. You can see it's working perfectly. Just use the spacebar to jump, and if you want to have the game in full screen, just press F11, and to exit the full screen just press F11 again or escape. And that's it. Have fun and see you next time.